Amazing things your body does every minute. Our bodies do a lot of work to keep us comfortable every day. So, in the spirit of staying grateful, let's take a look at a couple of these amazing things the human body does every minute. Let's start with our eyes, those amazing windows to the world. Every minute they're bombarded with light, color, and shapes. Light enters through the cornea, bending as it passes through. The iris adjusts the pupil size to control light intake. Like a camera aperture, the retina, covered in rods and cones, converts light into electrical signals sent to the brain. In just 1 minute, our brains process 600 million bits of visual data. Our eyes are truly remarkable organs. Now let's dive into the watery world inside our bodies. More than half of our bodies are made of water. For women, it's about 55%, and for men, it's closer to 65%. Our bodies are experts at keeping this water balanced with a built-in hydration monitor. If we lose even a tiny bit of water, our brains signal us to drink up. This water is essential for everything our bodies do, from regulating temperature to transporting nutrients. So, next time you take a sip of water, remember you're keeping your body's amazing water park running smoothly. Of course, we can't forget about the heart, the tireless drummer that keeps our bodies in rhythm. This small but mighty organ works around the clock, never taking a break, ensuring that life flows through us. This incredible organ pumps blood throughout our bodies, circulating it through an intricate network of veins and arteries, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. Each beat sends a surge of life, fueling our organs and tissues, keeping us vibrant and healthy. On average, an adult heart beats between 60 to 100 times per minute at rest. This steady rhythm is a testament to its endurance and reliability. That's over 100,000 beats a day. Imagine the sheer effort and dedication it takes to keep this pace. Day in and day out, the heart can adjust its pace depending on what we're doing. Whether we're sprinting in a race or finding our zen in a yoga pose, it adapts seamlessly. If we're exercising, our heart rate goes up to supply our muscles with more oxygen. This increase ensures that our body can meet the heightened demands of physical activity. When we're relaxed, our heart rate slows down. This calming effect helps conserve energy and allows our body to rest and recover. Factors like age, fitness level, and emotions can influence our heart rate. A fit athlete might have a lower resting heart rate, while stress or excitement can cause it to spike. So the next time you feel your heart beating, take a moment to marvel at this incredible organ. Appreciate this incredible organ that keeps us going strong. It's a symbol of life, resilience, and the unyielding spirit of the human body. Now let's talk about blood. The average adult has about 10 pints of this life-giving fluid coursing through their system. But what happens when we lose some of this precious fluid? Our bodies have an amazing emergency response team ready to jump into action. Platelets rush to the injury site and clump together, forming a plug to stop the bleeding. Special proteins called clotting factors create a fibrin mesh to secure the clot. Meanwhile, our bone marrow produces new red blood cells to replenish our supply. Within 24 hours, our bodies can replace the lost blood volume. It's a testament to the incredible regenerative power of the human body. Of course, we can't talk about amazing bodily functions without mentioning breathing. It's something we do every moment of our lives, often without even thinking about it. Yet it's one of the most vital processes that keep us alive. Every breath we take is a delicate dance between our lungs, muscles, and brain. This intricate coordination ensures that our body gets the oxygen it needs to function properly. When we breathe in, our diaphragm contracts and flattens, creating more space in our chest cavity. This action is crucial as it allows our lungs to expand and fill with air. This expansion creates a vacuum that sucks air in through our nose and mouth, down our trachea and into our lungs. The journey of air doesn't stop there. It continues deeper into our respiratory system. Once in our lungs, the air travels through bronchi to tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are where the magic of gas exchange happens. Oxygen from the air diffuses into our bloodstream, while carbon dioxide diffuses from our blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. This exchange is essential for maintaining the balance of gases in our body. This process is controlled by our brainstem, which regulates our breathing rate. The brainstem ensures that we breathe faster when we need more oxygen, like during exercise, and slower when we're at rest. The average adult takes between 12 to 20 breaths per minute at rest. This rate can change based on various factors such as activity level, emotions, and overall health. Breathing is not just a mechanical process, it's deeply connected to our well-being. Practicing deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and enhance overall health. By paying attention to our breath, we can tap into a powerful tool for relaxation and mindfulness. Whether through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a moment to breathe deeply, we can harness the power of our breath to improve our quality of life. So take a deep breath and appreciate the incredible rhythm of life that keeps us going every day. Now let's shift gears and talk about the brain's ability to read. It's a complex process that involves decoding symbols, accessing meaning, and constructing understanding at lightning speed. When we read, our eyes scan the page and visual signals are sent to our brains. Specialized areas in our brains work together to make sense of the text. On average, people can read between 200 to 400 words per minute. With practice, speed readers can reach speeds of up to 1,000 words per minute or more. Now let's talk about our skin, the largest organ in our bodies. It's a complex and dynamic system that serves multiple essential functions. Our skin is our first line of defense against the outside world, acting as a barrier to protect us from environmental hazards like UV radiation, pollutants, and pathogens. It's a remarkable organ that's constantly renewing itself, shedding old cells and growing new ones. This renewal process is vital for maintaining the skin's health and functionality. Every minute, our skin sheds around 30,000 to 40,000 cells. This continuous shedding helps to remove dead cells and make way for new, healthy ones. But our skin is much more than just a protective barrier. It plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. It's also a sensory organ, allowing us to feel touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. These sensations help us navigate and interact with our environment. It helps to regulate our body temperature, keeping us cool when it's hot and warm when it's cold. This thermoregulation is achieved through processes like sweating and the constriction or dilation of blood vessels. And it even plays a role in our immune system, helping to protect us from harmful bacteria and viruses. The skin acts as a physical barrier and also contains immune cells that detect and fight off invaders. Our skin is made up of three main layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. Each layer has its own unique structure and function. The cells in our epidermis are constantly dividing and moving upward, where they eventually die and slough off. This process is known as cell turnover. This turnover is essential for keeping our skin looking young and healthy. It helps to remove damaged cells and replace them with new ones, maintaining the skin's integrity and appearance. This process of cell turnover is what keeps our skin looking young and healthy. Proper skincare routines, including cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting the skin from sun damage, can support this natural process and enhance the skin's overall health and appearance. Now let's give a round of applause to our tongues, those amazing muscular organs that allow us to speak, taste, and swallow. The tongue is made up of 8 different muscles that work together to give it its incredible flexibility and range of motion. It can move up and down, side to side, and even curl up into a tube. It's covered in thousands of tiny taste buds that allow us to experience the flavors of our food. But the tongue's most important job is probably speech. When we speak, our tongue works with our lips, teeth, and vocal cords to produce the sounds of language. The average person speaks at a rate of about 150 words per minute. Now, let's talk about something we do without even thinking about it: blinking. On average, we blink about 15 to 20 times per minute, which means we spend about 10% of our waking hours with our eyes closed. When we blink, our eyelids spread a thin layer of tears over the surface of our eyes. These tears help to keep our eyes moist, wash away dust and debris, and protect them from infection. Blinking also gives our brains a brief moment to rest and process visual information. And finally, let's delve into the mysterious world of our thoughts. Our brains are constantly buzzing with activity, generating thoughts, emotions, and memories. It's estimated that we have tens of thousands of thoughts each day. These thoughts are electrical and chemical signals that zip between neurons, allowing us to process information and make decisions. The content of our thoughts can vary widely depending on our mood, environment, and focus. So there you have it, a glimpse into the amazing things your body does every minute of every day. From the intricate workings of our eyes to the constant regeneration of our skin, our bodies are capable of truly incredible feats. Do you want to find out more about a variety of topics like science, pop culture, or history? Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our latest videos.